News First Alert Weather.
As we take a look at our Capitol Federal Live Storm Tracker, we're currently all clear in northeast Kansas, just some clouds rolling through right now. A little bit of radar interference is showing up. That may just be some birds or maybe some insects as well. Current temperatures around the area, 67 in Topeka, 67 in Holton, 67 in Emporia. And then we get over to the west along I-70, 70 in Manhattan, 70 in Clay Center. And so it is a little bit cool right now. It's mild in some areas, but it will start to get cooler as we go throughout the rest of the evening into the overnight hours. Wind speeds right now around the area blowing anywhere between 5 to 20 miles per hour, depending where you are right now, gusting to almost 30 miles per hour in Concordia. And that's going to be a big theme over the next day or so, as winds and wind gusts will move towards the east, and we'll start to see wind gusts approaching the 20 mile per hour or even 30 mile per hour range around the viewing area. Forecast 61 for your low tonight. Southeast winds blowing 5 to 10 miles per hour on average. Mostly clear skies tomorrow. 86 degrees, south winds from 15 to 25 miles per hour. That's just your wind speeds, not your wind gust. Partly cloudy skies. Supercast wind showing that by 5 p.m. that was tonight. We had those wind speeds, and as we go throughout tonight into tomorrow, around the 40 mile per hour range. And so really high wind gusts that we're going to see, still in the 20s by tomorrow evening, and even the 30s as a cold front moves through tomorrow night. Once again, we'll increase those wind speeds. Euro supercast showing as we go into tomorrow, we will see some rain potentially into Monday as well, but these will just be a broken line of isolated scattered showers, not anything severe. There isn't enough instability in the atmosphere right now for that, but there may be later in the week, and that is why we are watching this temperature trend, as we can see that by Thursday we start to see a swath of cooler air move down to the south. That could bring some instability into the area, or just to the east of our area or south. Right now models aren't quite certain, but we're watching the swath of cold air because it is the start of a pattern change that will last a couple weeks or more, repeating over and over again. So like a transitional pattern that we have during this time of year. And so that's just something that I'm keeping an eye out, and I'm giving you the first alert on. 8-day forecast right now showing that we'll cool off a little bit as we go into the work week. Then we'll warm up, and then we may cool off again with that cool air patch coming in by the end of next week.